بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math, grade 6. We are in model 8 area. Today we have the third lesson, area of trapezoids. Area of trapezoids. In this lesson, we want to learn how to find and use the area of trapezoids, be composing and decomposing into other shapes. Solve each problem. Who can read exercise number 1, please?
So I'm Lagan, I can read it.
Okay.
Ria is planning to put the vegetable garden in her backyard. In order to have enough room, he's going to plant the garden 4 feet and the width of 6 feet. Well, what will be the area of the vegetable?
Okay, thank you, Nagam. I want from all to read it again, then try to find the area of this rectangle area.
Mister, is it 72 feet squared?
Okay, repeat please your question, your answer.
72 feet squared.
72. And what is the unit?
Feet squared.
$72 squared. Great work, Nagam. Thank you. طيب, who can read exercise number 2, please? Alia.
Yes, Mister.
Read it, please, exercise number 2.
Okay, Mister. The front of a triangle-shaped block has a base length of 4 inches and a height of 5 inches. If the front of the block needs to be covered in fabric, how much fabric is needed?
Okay, here we want to find the area of the triangle. So I want from all to read it again, then tell me what is the area of the triangle here.
Mister, is the answer 10 inches?
Great work, Naam, thank you. So the rule to find the area of the triangle, the rule A equal 1 over 2 times B times H. So substitution now, 1 over 2 times the base length of 4 inches. So times 4 times the height 5. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 1, 20. 20 divided by 2 will be 10 inches squared. Who can read exercise number 3, please?
Mister, can I read it?
Okay, Moza.
Pink is this a flag in the shape of a circle. He needs the base of the flag to be 16 inches. and the area to be 224 square inches. What will be the height of the flag?
طيب, thank you, Mozart. The first question, what is the type of the flag? Is it rectangle or a square or triangle? Who can tell me?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So I have the base and I have the area and I want to find the height. How?
We do 224 divided by 16.
224 divided by 16. The answer will be? What is the answer here? So the answer will be 14. Okay. Check me the answers. Here 72 feet squared, here 10 inch squared, here 14 inches. So what is the name of our lesson today? Area of trapezoids. Listen here. What is a trapezoid?
Find area of trapezoids by decomposing. Teaching notes. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. To find the area of a trapezoid, first decompose, or break down, the trapezoid into triangles and a rectangle. Since you know the formulas for the areas of triangles and rectangles, you can find the area of each smaller section and then add them together to find the area of the trapezoid.
See this video, please.
A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. You can find the area of a trapezoid by decomposing it into triangles and other polygons. This trapezoid is made up of one rectangle and two congruent triangles. To find the area of the trapezoid, find the area of the shapes that make up the trapezoid. First, find the area of the rectangle using the area formula. Use the formula to find the area. The area of the rectangle is 54 square inches. Next, find the area of one of the triangles using the area formula. The area of the triangle is 12 square inches. The two triangles are congruent, so the areas are the same. Then, find the trapezoid's area by adding the areas of the polygons that make up the trapezoid, the rectangle and two triangles. So, the area of the trapezoid is 78 square inches.
طيب, who can tell me what is the type of this quadrilateral? Who can tell me what is the type of this quadrilateral?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. In the trapezoid, we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 opposite sides. We have 2 opposite sides parallel. This side parallel with this side. This side parallel with this side. The name of this side, small base. The name of this side, small base. And the name of this side, big base. The name of this side will be what? Will be big base. And here in the red line here, this is a straight line perpendicular with the big base. The name of this line, height. The name of this line will be height. So now, what I have from the figure here, what is the information here? I have small base, P1 equals 7 inch, and I have big base, ten from here to here. And here we have what? We have 2. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 will be 12 inch. And I have the height, h equal 5 inch. And I want to find the area of the trapezoid. Very important to know the rule. From where the rule will be came? From adding the area of the triangle. Here we have triangle and here we have triangle. The areas of 2 triangles, then the area of rectangle here. So the formula to find the area of the trapezoid will be P1 small base plus P2 big base divide by 2 times height. This is the formula to find the area of the trapezoid. Now substitution. P1 will be 7 plus P2 will be 12 divide by 2 times 5. Now 7 plus 12 will be 19 divide by 2 times 5. Now 5 times 19 will be 95 divided by 2 will be 47.5, and the unit will be inch squared. The unit will be inch squared. So this is the area of trapezoid. This is the area of trapezoid. Now we have this problem here. Decompose the trapezoid to find the area. I want to from on to try to find the area of this trapezoid, please, and tell me your answer. Start, please. Who can tell me what is the area of this trapezoid?
I'm not uninstalled at this moment.
Right. Who can tell me what is the type of this figure? What is the type of this figure?
Trapezoid.
Okay. As you see here, we have two opposite sides parallel. The small one, the small base, P1 equals 3.5 unit. And the big one here, the big base, equals 7 units. P2 equals 7 units. And here we have the height. Here we have the height. As you see here, this sign means the perpendicular line with the big base. So this is the height. The height will be 8V2 units. The height will be 8V2, 8.2 units. And how to find the area? Start from the formula. Start from the formula. The formula to find the area of the trapezoid, A equal P1 means small base plus P2 means big base, divide by 2 times the height, Then substitution. P1 equals 3.8, P1 equals 3.8 plus P2 equals 7, divide by 2 times the height. The height will be 8.2. The height will be 8.2. Then we can add here 3.8 plus 7. 3 plus 7 will be 10. So 10.8 divide by 2 times 8.2. So here we can do long division. Here we have 10.8 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Here 10, 0. Take it the point to the answer. Then drop 8. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. Now the answer will be 5.4 times 8.2. 5.4 times 8.2. The answer will be 44.28. 44.28. And the unit will be here, units means write units squared. This is the area of this trapezoid. This is the area of this trapezoid. I want now from all to try to find the area of this trapezoid. Start, please.
Mister, is the answer 80?
Okay, thank you, madam. Who has different answer?
Mr. Ali, I agree with now.
Okay. Shamsa, what is your answer? Moza, what is your answer? Latifa and Hajar, your answer? Okay, listen to me. And at the type of this quadrilateral trapezoid, as you see here, we have the small base, 6 feet, and here we have the big base, 10 feet, and here we have the height. To write the information, P1 equals 6, P2 equal 10, height equal 5. Then how to find the area? Write the formula. A equal P1 plus P2 divided by 2 times H. So P1 means 6 plus P2 means 10 divided by 2 times the height will be what? Will be 5. 6 plus 10 will be 16 divided by 2 times 5. Now 16 divided by 2 will be 8. 8 times 5 will be 40. And the unit ft squared. Try to find the area of this trapezoid, please.
Mister, is the answer 40 meters?
Excellent, thank you. What I do at the first step, take the information from the figure. As you see here, we have trapezoid. This is the small base. So P1 equal 3. So we can write here P1 equal 3 meter. Then as you see here, we have P2 equal 7. P2 equal 7 meter. And as you see here, we have the height equal 8. H equal 8 meter. And we want to find the area. How to find the area of trapezoid? The first step, write the formula. A equal P1 plus P2 divided by 2 times the height. Now P1 will be 3 plus P2 will be 7 over 2 times the height will be what? Will be 8. 3 plus 7 will be 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. 5 times 8 equal 40. 5 times 8 equal 40 meter squared. Meter squared. طيب. As you see, each of airplane's wings in the drawing are in the shape of a trapezoid. This wing, a trapezoid. I want from all to try to find the area of this trapezoid. Start, please. This is the information here. Start from the formula P1 plus P2 divide by 2 times the height. And P1 4.5 plus P2 6.3 divide by 2 times the height will be 16.5. Now 4.5 plus 6.3 will be 10.8 divided by 2 times 16.5. Now 10.8 divided by 2 will be 5.4 times 16.5. The answer will be 5.4 times 16.5 will be 89.1. Will be 89.1. And who can tell me what is the unit here?
feet,
Just feet or feet squared? Always the area, use the squared in the unit. Feet squared. Okay? So this is our lesson today, inshallah. I will send to you the homework. I want from all to work in this homework. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.